G'day everybody, and we are back with the 1977 Honda CR125 Elsinore. And I have bought for this little puppy a HPI ignition system. I've been noticing on this bike, as you peak out in the real top end of power, it starts to break up the spark a bit, and it's been getting worse and worse. So I knew the ignition system was a little bit on the way out. And yeah, it's got to the point now where I just want to buy a whole new set. So I bought this kit from HPI, or Horsepower Ignition, over in Germany, I believe. Belgium, I know they are. Anyway, it comes with the whole kit: rotor, stator, coil, CDI, all the wires, all the brackets you need. Bought a new spark plug for it. But I'm going to take the original set off, lay it out, check for any differences against the HPI system, hopefully put it on and see what it does. So I will bring you back when I've got this one off and I'm comparing the parts. Okay, so I've got the original system all torn out, as you can see, and there's some things I've noticed. This is the HPI rotor or flywheel, and this is the original one. You'll see on the original one it has a keyway there, and the keys sitting up there. HPI one does not have a keyway, so you can put this rotor on in any way. It's just a friction fit, but it just goes on there. Friction fit needs to be set up right. Then with the coil and CDI, they are much smaller than the stock equivalents, so it is just how you want to put it on the bike. It's up to your preference how you put it on there. So I'm going to chuck those on the way I think is best, and I'll bring you guys back to that when all that stuff is on. Also with the stator, you'll see it has many sliding slots, so you can basically mount this in any position, but my mounts for it are 180 degrees from each other, or directly across, so I cannot use top and bottom on this. I have to use some of the sides, so I'm just going to mount it something like that and wrap the wire around and have it come out, which is pretty easy, so that's no problem. But yes, make sure to read the instructions and base your rotor off top dead center on this thing, because if you have it wrong, your bike will not run. So that stuff is all on there and wired up. It was a little bit fiddly getting this rotor in the right position, but it is there now, and it's just set to the basic setting at top dead center. This is all there, wired up. It's not the tidiest, but I'll tidy it up and get it looking alright. But it does work quite well. I'll see if I can get you guys to see this spark somehow. Yeah, you might be able to see that. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a really good big arc of blue spark, so I'm happy with that. Just going to chuck the rest of the accessories and that on, like seat, fuel tank, all that kind of stuff, and see if it'll start up, hopefully. So it's been maybe a week or two since I've last touched this bike at all. Honestly, I've been on holidays, and then I got back and I've had a little accident and burnt my hand pretty badly. And today is my birthday, but I wanted to finish the video on the HPI ignition for you guys on this 1977 CR125. So I've got it all installed. It's So, in review for this ignition, I personally think it's pretty good. You can hear it kind of stuttering a bit some of the time, but I think that's more down to the big little exhaust leak I've got, because I know when I gave this a quick test before I had that exhaust leak, it was fine. But yeah, I think it works quite well. I'm in no way sponsored or in any way aided by HPI ignitions, but I've seen some good and some bad reviews of their products and service and that, but I had quite a good experience with them and wanted to give you guys a straight up feel of how it sounds, that kind of thing. Yeah, works quite well. Really peaks out pretty good. Handles just like the stock one, in my opinion, if not better. Or for me, definitely better, because the stock one was starting to go. But yeah, good product, fairly priced. You're not going out there and buying a $1,000 ignition to put on an old bike. It's pretty cost effective and makes it run good. So yeah, that'll be the end of this. If you want to see more stuff of this bike, probably not this bike because it's up for sale, but of any bikes, more stuff from me, more content, just subscribe, like the video. Thank you for viewing it the whole way through if you made it to here, so thank you for that. But yeah, thanks for all that, guys, and that will do that.